So I've broken that move down into 5 parts and we're all gonna try it. So the first part, step 1, is now when you step back, you don't step lined up like that because you'll be tippy. You kind of step back off to the side a little bit and you're gonna drop down to that back knee. That's step number 1. So you can, all right, drop down onto your right knee. You can always grab onto something to help. Now hands on the floor and pull that left leg back. So now you're on all 4s. Step number 2. Now just go right onto your right hip. Left foot should be flat in front of your shin. There you go. Now pull that right foot through, straighten it out. That would just be lay down. So now we're going to get back up. So now you pull that right foot in. Rotate around to your hands and your knees. There we go, hands and your knees. Left foot in front, grab. If you need to, for support, you press on that left knee and push yourself all the way up. Use your hands, use your knees, use whatever it takes. So, if you want to learn the tripod, everybody's on their hands and your knees. Alright, so you can lift up your left hand and your right knee, just a couple inches off the ground. And then put them down, back down. Just a little bit. This is called contralateral. And this is how we move. This is how we walk. Contralaterally. Lift up the left hand and the right knee, a couple of inches, and then drop them down. All right, so you can stay with that. Or if you want more of a flow, you come up on your toes. You just bring your knees an inch off the floor. So you're still on your hands and your knees, but your knees are an inch off the floor. Now lift up your right foot and your left hand just a little bit. Opposite. So when we walk, when we do everything, it's opposite. So you lift up the opposite. Now that you've got that lifted, whether you have your knees on the ground or whether the knees are off the ground a little bit, it doesn't really matter. But you're going to lift up that left hand, pull that right leg through, and you're there.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Come up, pull through now. Flow from left to right. If you get those knees just barely off the ground, you can flow. This arm comes back to counterbalance. And then you come back. He's doing it. He's doing it. He's doing the flow. That's it. That's it. And when you do that, it's important for that right arm to counterbalance that leg that came out. So you're counterbalanced here.